It's Saturday today and kaka-out ko lang sa shift. Last day na yun at wala na akong shift sa weekend. And today we're going to Pattaya. We'll spend our weekend there. Nabook lang namin yung bus sa Klook and nasa around 300 pesos per way. So 600 plus balikan. Nandito kami sa may Mochit ba to? Mochit North Bus Terminal. Malapit siya sa Chatuchak Market. And ano oras pa lang? 7:02 and 8 o'clock pa yung aming bus schedule. Etong bus schedule. Nagawa ko lang sa JP. And itong bus station, mukha siyang PTEX. Marami naman dito kainan sa lobby if in case hindi pa kayo kumakain and all. Ganyan. So bumili lang kami ng pagkain at inumin. Kasi sa bus, bawal uminom or kumain. And yung trip mga nasa around 2 hours. Yeah, around 2 hours yung making trip from Bangkok to Pattaya. Okay? So pagdating niyo dito sa bus terminal, kailangan lang pumili dun sa sa window na nakalagay is Pattaya. Tapos ipakita niyo lang yung voucher niyo from Klook. Bibigyan kayo ng physical ticket. Punta kami guys ng Terminal 21 and sumakay kami ng ganito. Parang jeep sa kanila. And then pagbababa ka, kailangan mo lang pindutin to. Yan, ito. Tapos ang pamasahe ay 10 baht. Pupunta kami ng Terminal 21 para kumain ng lunch. Tapos dito magbabayad sa harapan. There you go. And we're good. We're here sa Terminal 21 para mag-lunch. Ito na yung airplane. So for Edep, ito na yung airplane. Diba sa Terminal 21 per floor may mga iba-ibang city like San Francisco, ganyan. Ito yung airplane ng Terminal 21. Ang airplane yan. Basta airplane. Ang ganda ng hotel na yun. Hotel ba yan? Ang ganda naman. Tapos yung Barracuda. Alright guys, let's go to Tokyo. Pinakadulo yung Tokyo. Parang ilang floor yung na-skip niya? 1, 2, 3. 3 floors. So sa 4th floor na yung diretso habang sa JPA nagmo-model. Ay, may KKV oh. Ay no, KKV. Kanya-kanyang vibe. Meron ditong anong tawag dyan? San Francisco Bridge. Diba? Pero nasa San Francisco nga tayo. Ito. Tapos sa baba pala yung Tokyo. Ayan, Tokyo yung nasa baba guys. Ito kami sa may food court. Kakain lang kami dito. Kasi mas mura yung pagkain dito sa Terminal 21. Kain, ano lang to, 99 baht lang. Tatlong dish na yun. Ito parang, anong tawag dyan? Paksiw. Tapos fried na pork. And here's our view. Ang ganda.
跟着红尘，跟随我浪迹一生。雨纷纷，旧故里草木深。我听闻你始终一个人。雨纷纷，旧故里草木深。我听闻你始终一个人。斑驳的香灯，盘踞老树根，石板上回荡赛灯。雨纷纷，雨纷纷，旧故里草木深。我听闻你仍守着孤城。
Tagal mag-sunset dito. Mag-alas siya na pero sobrang liwanag pa rin. Ang sobrang init kasi pagka may araw. So, ngayon lang kami lumabas. Ang ganda ng view. Very relaxing.
So, pupunta tayo sa beach. Hindi, nasa beach naman. Sa tubig ba? Hindi siya ganun kaputi. Hindi talaga siya maputi. Ano mo? Maitim siya. Ganyan siya tubig. Parang tubig baha. Siguro dahil sa lupa, hindi siya ganun ka-white. Pino pero hindi ma-white ang sand tulad sa Boracay.
The next day.
It's our last full day dito sa Pattaya. And pupunta kami sa mga tourist spots. Dalawa lang naman pupuntahan namin. Ang first stop is yung Sanctuary of Truth. Kailangan nyo mag-wear ng ginto kasi tabi ko kasi naka-short ako. Yung ginto okay lang, no? Yung sando. Ay, yung ganito bawal. Kaya kailangan mo ng ginto. May deposit na 200 baht. Pero wala kaming bariya. Kaya 1,000 baht yung na. Paano siya ano?
So that's in the behind, sir.
This one? Epic fail. Ganyan ata, no? 10:40 pa naman kami. Anong oras na ba? 10:34 pa lang. So 10:40 pa yung schedule namin. Meron ditong mini zoo. If you're interested. Okay. Merong pa tour guide dito na English speaking guide for 1 hour. And then after 1 hour, pwede na kayo magligalig sa loob ng Sanctuary of Truth. Pero kailangan nyo lang i-follow muna si kuya or si ate.
Technique, that's how we build the buildings by hand, by woods and interlocking and without nails. That's all the knowledge has passed to generation. Museum combined with wooden pin and wooden waste. We use driller machine to drill the hole in the wood. Put the wooden pin first, follow with the wooden waste, place it. That's how we charge with the wooden nail. So this is the exit of our museum located here and the entrance in the back of the museum. As we're gonna walk around 130 meters. Okay, what is there to say? We have the activity to really be the nature, and the nature is essential to us, so we need it. Without one of it, we cannot survive. No matter how rich we are, we live with the natures. Reflect to the sculptures. First one, the sculptures of parent, presenting how we born and how we be raised by them. Over there, the sculpture of the angels, representing about the universe, presenting that we live in the same universe. Us are the ones that we love. This is a part of the family too. If it looks above all the setting, it presents about the responsibilities that our family should fulfill for. First one here, the family gave us birth.
Tapos na guys yung tour, inabot din talaga siya ng 1 hour. And okay naman, kasama na siya sa ticket, wala na kayo ibang babayaran. So, yung ticket pala na nakuha ko dito is 777 pesos. Pero originally, nasa 800 plus siya. Pag magbubook kayo sa Klook or KK Day, kasi may mga voucher ako, so naging 777 pesos na lang siya. Yeah, okay naman kasi kasama na yung mismong tour na 1 hour. Doon sa binayaran yung ticket. And pwede kayong mamili ng time slot. Nandun din naman sa booking page kung ano yung mga time slot na nandun. You don't need to schedule naman yung time slot. Pwede naman kayong mag-walk-in dito tapos maghintay na lang kayo nung time slot na mas malapit doon sa time na kung ano oras kayo pumunta rito. Ganon. So may mga English, ano ba yun? May mga English, Chinese, Korean, Russian yata yung isa. So ayan, pwede naman kayong mamili kung ano yung language na gusto niya. Pero dito English yung pinili natin, no? May maraming mga Filipino dito guys na mga worker mismo, pati yung nagtutour, may mga Filipino rin. Saka doon pa lang sa ticketing booth, may mga Filipino na nag-a-assist. So hindi kayo mau-homesick. Nung una, medyo hindi ko gets kung ano yung in-explain ng tour guide, pero nung binigay sa amin itong parang, ano ba to? Pamphlet. Nag-gets ko na kung ano yung meaning ng pinaka museum or ng Sanctuary of Truth. Dito, meron ditong 7 truths in life. So ito yung pinaka-concept nung itong museum, ng Sanctuary of Truth. So, i-share ko na lang sa inyo. Yung first is, who are we and where are we from? So, di ba nga sa life daw, we are all compound with 4 elements. Yung earth, fire, water, and ano yung isa? Wind. So, yun yung first truth. And the second truth is, how do we survive? So, syempre, babasahin ko na lang. from birth to death, our life depends on nature. So kahit nagugutom tayo, ganyan, diba, yung mga pagkain natin is coming from the nature. And third is, how is our life going? That's the third and fourth truth pala. We brought nothing to the world, so we cannot take anything out of it. However, our good or bad actions remain. So yun yung naging third and fourth truth. Kailangan yung mga good deeds ay ang naiiwan dito sa mundo. Kasi yung mga material things, hindi natin madadala sa kabilang buhay. Nilipat ko yung angle ng camera kasi may mga dumadaan sa likod at nakasagabal tayo. Okay, the fifth truth, self-development and principle. It is to guide you to create your life purpose, especially on your future self. So ito yung nagda-drive sa ating mabuhay. We need a life purpose to live. So that's the fifth truth. Yung sixth truth is we need to learn some appropriated ways to treat people in the society. Ito na nga yung good deeds na on how we treat people in our community. Ayan, so we treat everybody with respect. And the seventh truth is, so a society, babasahin ko na lang ulit. A society full of generosity, politeness, humility, respect, understanding, accepting difference, justice, apology, forgiveness, gratitude, and harmony. So ito talaga yung like on how we treat others with respect and how do we want ourselves to be treated as well. What a way to end our Thailand trip with this kind of view ng Pattaya City. Dito lang kami sa may view deck. Pwede nyong i-pin City Cafe Pattaya. Wala namang bayad yung view deck. At may cafe dito, so kung trip nyo, edi go lang. So ayan, dito, ang ganda. Nandito yung signage ng Pattaya. Kita nyo ba yung P? Ayan yung signage ng Pattaya City. Okay, tara, libot tayo.
So really you ain't gonna hit me back, yeah. Now it's all just you got me on blast, damn. You're over it, I've been done. We're so toxic, can't get enough. Ooh, I'll go and say it like a mantra. You know what you want, do ya? Oh hell no, I won't play the monster no matter what you tell yourself. I should have known that we could never be friends. I hear you just thought we could, but we could never be friends. We could never be friends. We could never be friends. We could never. type of way, well, that's fantastic. Nothing to something, and now it's drastic. Go tell your friends we're so done.